That's Spooky. Gave him a shower. He's very irritated.
Here is me. I took a shower as well. It's too hot. So उसको नहलाना मतलब खुद नहाना ही पड़ेगा. Running around, hissing, all that.
अरे I forgot to do the video before eating. ये तो वही कल वाला जो मैं खा रही थी. एक अलग सा सांग है ये. पत्ते का कुछ मिक्सिंग है. This is तिल सिसेमी सीड. सिसेमी सीड के पेस्ट से मतलब हैंड ग्राइंड करके पकोड़े बनते हैं. They are very good for health. Also, they are yum. Then I have some parval fry also. There's a bit of rice. There is dal. There's a bit of what is that? That's a lemon and a bit of aloo chokha and those. That's my lunch. Pookie, show your new collar, Shona. That's Pookie's new collar. Okay, pink. We are gender neutral people. It's okay. It's just cool to wear a pink collar. है ना Pooku? It's cool to wear a pink collar. Yes, Pooku, we are gender neutral people. Pookie is come to my house, but he's not going upstairs because my dogs will go mad. He's just met Lizzie, so जाते वक्त और एक बार Lizzie से मिला के जाऊँगी. आज Pookie's had a good shower. Lizzu, এই যে Lizzu, তুমি দেখতে পাচ্ছ তোমার ভাইকে? তোমার নতুন ছোট্ট ভাইটাকে দেখেছো? দেখেছো কি? হ্যাঁ. লাড্ডু এদিকে দেখাও তো লাড্ডু. কি লাড্ডু? দেখেছো? দেখেছো লাড্ডু? भाई साहब फाइनली बारिश. बहुत जोरों की बारिश हो रही है. I don't know how much you can see, but it's raining heavily. Oh, I forgot to take the video as usual. We had ordered this thing called thecha noodles, which has this crushed peanut with capsicum and stuff. We're almost done, but बहुत ज़्यादा tasty था. It's 4:30 in the morning. Obviously, my Pookie woke me up, so I was up. And it's the second day that I'm up at this time, and after feeding him, I'm not going to sleep, or I'm not sleeping enough for the last 2 nights. Of course, there's a lot of pressure with work. But the thing that's keeping me awake a lot, rather for the last 2 days, is mental health. No, I'm fine. I keep myself fine is what I will say, because in today's world, I don't think anybody is in a perfect mental state. Not in today's world. People never was or never is, because of so many things that we go through in life on a daily basis. Our past trauma, our current tension, all of that, thinking of future. Everybody has, their own reasons. But mental health is has been an issue of discussion thanks to Gen Z. I have to give it to them, because as a millennial, we never spoke about it when we were young, and I'm sure our parents were even, they had to go through even worse, because I don't think they even considered mental health to be a thing. But Gen Z is very advanced when it comes to their emotions and such things, is what I feel, and because of them, that mental health is becomes so much of a topic of discussion, which absolutely should be. Couple of days back, we lost a Bengali director, Anik Datta, who is very famous and a very, very talented gentleman. And day before yesterday, we lost a Bengali vlogger called Shani Chakrabarti. They took these drastic steps to end their lives because of the mental state, of course, yes. But my point is, I'm not here to judge that what's right, what's wrong, because how much hurt or how much or what it takes to take a step like this is something I do not know. And I hope that none of us get to know or get to experience it, but must be something unbearable, to say the least. Now, if you look at the dynamics, that's what I was thinking actually. I'm just speaking my mind here. Anik Datta was a decently rich man, very well known, has done amazing work in his all life, has a wife and a child, a daughter, and
has uh, a community that he's built, which is absolutely amazing. I do not know Onik Dotto in Bengali. That's how we say. I do not know him personally, but my best friend does know him very, very well. And she was like, I can't believe. And like, I was talking to her the day he passed away, and she was very upset that he was such a good man. Jay, he was such a good man. And talking about this lady, the young girl, she's just graduated a week back. She's completed her LLB a week back. Shayani Chakraborty, the lady I'm talking about now. She's, her videos, she and her mother, they create these videos every day in Facebook where they kind of do so much for the animals. It's beyond, like, their videos are like happy pills. Okay, they take care of cows and cats and dogs, so much so that any animal which is in distress around their place, people literally come and tell them, listen, this animal needs help, and they are just there. Amazing human being, at least from what we see in the videos. And the mother and the daughter, they kind of do the videos, and she has another younger sister and a dad and a very happy family from what we see. A very happy family, and decent enough in life, it seems, from whatever we can make out, is very close to animals, which we say that it kind of gives you so much happiness. And she's taken this drastic step because of a distraught relationship. I don't know what to say. Like that's why I'm saying that I'm no one to judge, because even if you have everything, maybe there is one thing that kind of breaks your heart to that extent. I am not supporting these kind of things. But again, my point is, how much hurt? What is it, like, to that extent? It must be unbearable that these people have taken this kind of a step. Not, because this girl's video I used to see every day, like every day. I mean, maybe 4 times, 5 times a day. Whenever I log into Facebook, I'll get to see. I used to see her videos with her mom and the animals and everything, and it would make me feel so good. And for the last 2 nights, I'm just not being able to sleep, just thinking that heartbreaks can be fatal, they say, and it's actually what we are seeing. Like, we've basically lost 2 gems in their own way. Every life is a gem, come on. I don't know what to say. For Shiny, though, I'm very surprised. This girl, she was going to her graduation draping a sari with sneakers and a bullet. Like, just few days back, she was protesting against these goons at a temple. I mean, such a strong girl. Again, there's one more thing, that what do we mean by strong girls? And I hate this, when people tell me, like, whatever little experiences or things that I've gone through life, and a lot of people tell me, oh my god, you're such a strong person and all of that. I hate this sentence. I hate, because people do not know, or people underestimate the fact that what we have to go through to become this strong person. And I don't want anybody to go through anything to become a strong person. Living in the soft era, I think, is the best. If somebody is living in the soft era, I congratulate you, and you should be grateful for life. Because being the strong person, I don't see it as a compliment anymore. It takes a lot. So yeah, I was just wanting to speak my mind. I don't think it's even 5 o'clock. The weather is nice. It's rained yesterday. And don't take heartbreak so seriously. Because, like I said, I don't want to pass judgments here, but people should be accountable. Don't you think so? People should be accountable for cheating. People should be accountable for breaking hearts in a very, very bad way. People should be accountable. I mean, you just can't break somebody's heart and walk off. Now, I believe the fact that there is karma. I do believe it, and I wish everybody understands it and believes it, because I have seen a lot of people face their karma in this life, and I've got to know of it also. So I believe in that, and I would just like to say that there is somebody up there watching us, and we can't deny, we should not deny. Be delusional, but not so delulu that you do not realize what your karma is leading you to. So if you're doing bad with somebody, whatever be your reason, so there are a lot of people, they'll be like, it's not me, it's not you, it's me. Like, I feel like showing you the middle finger. And also, there are people who are dishonest in relationships. Cheating is such a common thing that people have started normalizing it, which I never will. I never will. I'm happy to die single than to be with somebody who's not loyal. And then there'll be some people who'll be like, I'm not in a great situation in life, and I am quitting this relationship so that you can have a better life. Come on, you are a coward. That's what you are. When I hear such things, I'm like, oh my God. I just wanted to talk about it with my swollen face. Not that I care. But please take care of yourselves. Your life is very, very, very important. You are loved by so many people. Like everybody. There may be 4 people who might not love us, but there'll be 10 more people who do love us. Take care of yourself. Bye.